Good morning, everybody. Happy Thursday during week 8. We're only 2 days out from spring break, which is super exciting. So I wanted to touch base this morning and give you a heads up on how to upload your papers to the peer review group. I know some of you have had some questions, so I just wanted to do this video. Hopefully it'll help you out. So we're going to start here on the announcements page, and we're going to go over to weekly assignments. And I am in student view, so this should look just like your screen, I hope. Then we're going to go down to, of course, week 8. And in here, you will see a description of what's going on, just like we do every week. And then you'll see, of course, today is Thursday, so tonight is the deadline for uploading your paper. Remember, I do want to highlight this right here. Be sure to upload as a PDF, a doc, or a docx. Google Docs will not work. Pages will not work. And of course, this applies to everything that you turn in, but in the file exchange, it's going to be very hard for somebody to edit your paper and to type on your paper if it's not in a doc or .docx file. A PDF, nobody's going to be able to really make comments on a PDF either, but they'll at least be able to read it. So make sure you read all of this carefully. So there's the description of what's happening. Dr. Thompson's video right here about the assignment is very helpful, as all of her videos are. And then she's also got some for incorporating quotes in APA. And then you'll scroll down and you'll see that the peer review sheet is here. And then Dr. Thompson explains the peer review process, but I am going to show you right now exactly how to get to your file exchange where you can upload your paper. So we're going to click here on Rhetorical Analysis Peer Review, and we will see that I do not have access to it. So give me 2 seconds. I'm not a student, so I can't access it. Okay, so we'll just go right back to where we were. And again, it's going to look a little bit different from mine. Because yours is your student view, you'll be able to see more here. Okay, so we go back down to Rhetorical Analysis Peer Review. And then we'll see each of the groups here. So what you'll need to do is click on the group, and you'll look and see if you find your name here. So we are going to pretend, Emma, I'm calling you out right now. I'll pretend that I'm Emma. So I'm Emma, and I'm going to click on the File Exchange. And that's where I'll see that it looks like John's already uploaded his paper. So I will add file, and then browse my computer to find my paper, give it a name. So for example, mine would be Baker Rhetorical Analysis. And then hit submit. After you've done that, I'm going to hit cancel because we don't want to submit anything right now. So after we do that, you're going to download everyone's paper. So everyone in this group should be downloading. So for example, John's already downloaded his or uploaded his. So everybody else will upload theirs as well. John will be responsible for reviewing all of these papers and then coming back to the file exchange. Once you've reviewed a paper, you'll come back to the file exchange. You will again add file. This time you'll add the other person's paper and their rhetorical analysis peer review sheet, which is in the weekly assignments folder. And so make sure by tonight that your paper is uploaded. And then what's due by Sunday is for you to review your group's paper, each paper for the member in your group, and then upload it back here so that they can see it. All right, hope this helps.